You're welcome to Math Easy Peasy. And in today's class, we shall be finding height and the base of a triangle when the area is given. Now, our first question today is actually easy peasy. Now, the first question simply states, it said find the base of a triangle whose area is 48 centimeters square and height is 8 centimeters. Now, whenever you're looking for the base or the height of a triangle, when the area is given, you simply multiply the area by 2 and divide by the side that has been given to you. So for this question, since we are looking for the base, we simply state the base is equal to area times 2 all over height, which is equal to 48 times 2 all over 8. 8 here, 1. 8 into 48 is 6. So our final answer will be 6 times 2. And the base is simply 12 centimeters. That is easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup. So let's look at our second question for today. The second question is that the area of a triangle is 60 centimeters square. Find the height of the base is 10 centimeters. Height, as we said before now, is the area times 2 multiplied by 2 all over the base. The area from our question is 60 centimeters square. Multiplying it by 2, dividing it by the base, which is simply 10 centimeters square, 10 centimeters. And our answer will be simple. 10 here is 1. 10 here gives us 6. 6 times 2 gives us what? 12 centimeters. It is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup.